Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and prepping both the case and earbuds. Do this so battery drops don't interrupt pairing. Once done, open the case and remove both earbuds to wake them. Most models enter pairing automatically. Make sure to enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it on the Bluetooth settings page. This helps you see the device immediately. If a PIN is requested, try 0000 or 1234. This sequence reduces connection errors and makes the first link fast and reliable. You now initiate the wireless handshake. Observe the earbuds LED. Blinking patterns mean they're advertising. On your phone, tap the earbud's name in the available devices list. This starts the exchange of identification and codecs. Make sure to accept microphone and audio permissions. Without them, calls or media audio may fail. Once paired, you should hear a confirmation chime. If your device asks to confirm a pairing code, match it. This prevents accidental connections to nearby devices. Finish by testing both music and a quick call to verify microphone routing. This confirms left/right balance, and that controls work. Once satisfied, customize touch controls or EQ in the companion app if present, and secure a proper fit to improve sound and noise isolation. If pairing fails or audio stutters, reset the earbuds. Usually hold both buttons or place them in case and press for 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This reset clears old pairings and resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.